Hi everyone, this is Anna Sada from Loyalist College, and I'll give you a lot of information about Loyalist College. So we offer varieties of job opportunities on campus and also on-campus residence. Our school location is in the province of Ontario in a small city called Belleville, about an hour and a half away from downtown Toronto. One reason why you want to be part of our international student community is because of our neighborhood. It's very student friendly, and we do give out a lot of support system to ensure that you'll have a good future in Canada. One more good news for you, we are now accepting international students application for September 2025 intake. So come on, and please do tap Pacific Premier for more information. Destination Loyalist.